Okay, good morning, students. Today we will discuss the new topic, links in HTML. So this is a very important topic, how we can provide linking between two documents in HTML. So links are used to connect one web page to another. Not with one web page to another web page, maybe one web page with any other document. So this document or this file may be any image file, maybe any sound file, maybe any type of you can say uh, any type of Word file, Excel file, means any type of file we can link with of linking in HTML. So HTML links are not only for another web page, it is maybe any type of file. So whenever we click on the link, we are redirected to that particular file. So that particular destination. So we can provide linking with the help of a special tag. That tag is called a tag. A tag stands for anchor tag. So anchor tag is used for providing hyperlinking. My question is for you, Akhilesh, unmute yourself. Yashit.
Yes, sir.
Which tag is used for providing hyperlinks?
Sir, A tag, anchor tag.
A tag is called anchor tag. Now remember one thing, anchor tag has a one attribute that is compulsory attribute. So this is called href. It is called hypertext reference. So in href, we will have to give the name of the file with which you want to provide hyperlink. So anchor tag is a container tag. Students, remember one thing, whenever I say the question is in your paper, define table tag or anchor tag, don't give a very limited answer like a table is used to insert table in the HTML. Is it a correct definition of a table tag? Give some explanation there. Table tag is used to insert is used to present your data in a tabular format in the shape of rows and columns. Rows are your horizontal arrangement of data, and columns are your vertical arrangement of data. These are used for systematical presentation of your data. So table tag is a container tag. It has a different attribute. So many things you can discuss in table tag, and you people are doing table tag is used to insert table. So this is not a correct answer. That's why I deducted marks in that question. If you're given the answer in that format. So anchor tag. So if there is a question is what is anchor tag? Anchor tag is used, A tag stands for anchor tag, and anchor tag is used to provide hyperlinks, and it is a container tag. It has a some attributes like href. It's called hypertext reference. In this we will have to name of the file with location. So look at here how we can provide hyperlink. So I'm using here HTML tag, head, title, body tag is here. Then body tag closed. Then HTML tag is closed. Now in this, suppose I have one word, click here, and I want to provide hyperlink on this. What I will do here, I will use here a tag start and a tag close it. Now in a starting anchor tag, I will use href equal to. In double quotes, I will give the name of the file with which I want to provide hyperlinks. So look at here. Suppose in my HTML file, in my desktop, there is one file, online result 1st to 10th. So I right click on that, click on properties. I copy, the location is a desktop. So my HTML file and the file with which I want to provide hyperlink is in same folder. No need to give the location. I copy the name of the file. I paste this .pdf because my file is PDF file. I save file. Give the name of the file is, suppose it is abc.html, and I am saving this file in desktop. Look at here, I put the file. So there is, click here, that is underlined. It means, and when I place my mouse on the hyperlink, this pointer symbol will be converted into hand. Look at here. In place of arrow operator, arrow sign, it is converted into hand sign. It means here is a hyperlink. And its color is by default blue. So this is a hyperlink. I click on that. So look at here. File is open. So remember one thing, HTML in hyperlinking in HTML does not mean that we are providing the hyperlink to another web page. We can provide the hyperlink with any type of file, whether it is a PDF file or any other format file. Look at here. Now look at here. When I clicked on that link, okay, now color is converted to purple. So it means it is a visited color. V link. पहले क्या था? A link. Active link is always in blue color, and visited link is always in purple color. So in place of a PDF file, I can also give another type of file. Look at here. Here I have one JPG file. Look at here. Properties, PNG file, capture tree, dot PNG. I save the file. I refresh the page. Look at here. Images here. So hyperlink can be provided with any type of file. Even you can provide the hyperlink with Excel file. I'm checking whether there is Excel file in my computer. Look at here. I'm just checking. So look at here. There is a one Excel file is here. I right click on the file. Click on properties. I copy the file name. An extension of Excel file is XLSX. I save the file. I refresh the page. Look at here, Excel file downloaded. I click on that. File is here. So students, tell me, any doubt in this? If you have any doubt, please raise your hands.
Sir, could you please repeat?
बेटा मैंने भी जो डिस्कस किया है कि आप हाइपरलिंक किसी भी टाइप के फाइल फॉर्मेट के साथ अप्लाई कर सकते हो. आपके पास एक्सेल फाइल के साथ आप हाइपरलिंक लगा सकते हो. यू कैन प्रोवाइड हाइपरलिंक विद पीडीएफ फाइल, यू कैन provide hyperlink with the HTML file, you can provide hyperlink with the picture file, any type of file we can provide hyperlinks. Is it clear?
सर हमने यहाँ पे उसका पाथ नहीं दिया.
बेटा now tell me why I have not given the path. सोचो थोड़ा सा क्यों नहीं दिया मैंने.
क्योंकि वो फाइल डाउनलोड करनी थी.
No. बेटा जब आपके पास एक्सेल फाइल or the Excel file and the HTML file and the targeted file are in same folder, no need to give the file location. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, better. So now next is suppose if my file is in another drive. So, suppose so look at here. There is a one file chapter 2. ठीक है. अगर मैंने इसके साथ लिंकिंग करनी है तो I will have to give the location. So I'm going to create a link with this. Look at here, properties, name of first it is in E drive. So I will have to give the drive here. Then name of the file. Then dot PPT X. So this is the name of the file, the PowerPoint file. So I'm saving this. Now I refreshing the page. When I click here, I'm checking what is wrong in this. Wait. So I am renaming this file. I think problem is with the name of the file. So look at here. The PPT file is downloaded. Okay. When I click on that, that particular file will be open. So students, any doubt in this?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Bachchu.
सर जैसे हम कोई फाइल ऑनलाइन एडिट करते हैं, जैसे पीडीएफ है उसके अंदर एनोटेशंस करते हैं, फिर बाद में उसको डाउनलोड करते हैं, तो जब एनोटेशंस हम करके उसके अंदर एडिट कर रहे हैं, तो वो फाइल जैसे डाउनलोड हो रही है तो उसके पीसी में भी तो होनी चाहिए, जिसने हमको जहां से वेबसाइट पे वो पड़ी है, तो वो पर्सन के पीसी में जाके स्टोर होती है।
बेटा राघव, यहाँ पे ये सिस्टम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है। अगर हो सकता है कि वो सिर्फ जो आपके पास डाउनलोडेड फाइल हो रही है उसी में चेंजेस हो रही है। ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपने सिस्टम कैसे बनाया है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है। ये सपोज मैंने कोई गूगल ड्राइव में कोई आपसे फाइल शेयर करता हूँ, तो उसमें गूगल ड्राइव में एक राइट होता है व्यू ओनली, देन एडिटर। अगर एडिटर का राइट होता है तो आप उसमें चेंज करोगे तो परमानेंट जो कॉपी पड़ी हुई है मास्टर कॉपी उसमें भी चेंज हो जाएगी।
यस
पर
सर।
अगर आप व्यूअर का राइट देते हो तो जो आपके पास कॉपी आएगी वो आपके लिए कॉपी है, वो सर्वर में चेंज नहीं है। सो इट डिपेंड ऑन कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फीचर वी हैव अप्लाइड ऑन द फाइल। इज इट क्लियर राघव?
ओके सर। यस सर। पर सर वो तो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट केस है, गूगल ड्राइव का तो केस ही बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है।
कैसे बेटा?
सर जैसे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि ऑनलाइन एडिट करनी है, तो वो तो वेबसाइट के ऊपर जाके
देखो
जिस पर्सन ने अपलोड की है वहां से डाउनलोड भी दोबारा नई फाइल होती है फिर।
तो वही है ना कि आपके पास जो आपने फाइल अपलोड की है वो सर्वर में पड़ी हुई है। अब ये सर्वर के ऊपर है ना कि आपने उन्होंने किस टाइप की प्रोग्रामिंग की है कि जो एडिटिंग कर रहे हो वो सर्वर में वो चेंजेस हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही। हो सकता है कि वो सर्वर में चेंजिंग होने की जगह जो आपके पास फाइल आ रही है उसमें वो चेंजेस है, मेन फाइल में वो चेंजेस ना कर रहा हो। ये डिपेंड करता है कि सर्वर में सेटिंग कैसी है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है बच्चे, एनी डाउट इन दिस?
नो सर।
तो अब हमारे पास दिस इज क्लियर दैट hyperlink does not mean that link with the HTML फाइल only। तो आप किसी भी टाइप की फाइल के साथ हाइपरलिंक्स लगा सकते हो, whether it is a HTML फाइल, कोई भी टाइप की फाइल है तो आप उसके ऊपर लिंक्स प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो। Now next important thing is there, we can control the coloring of this particular page. Look at here. If I click on new, I open the file. Sorry, I'm going to change the hyperlink. Then I am going to discuss something different. Suppose I am here again creating a hyperlink with one image file. So this is capture 3, name of the file. It is PNG file. I save this. Then I refresh the page. So look at here. When I open the file in a new tab, the color of hyperlink is changed. तो देखो बेटा यहाँ पे पर्पल कलर हो गया। जब मैं इसको लिंक, इट मींस आई हैव नॉट ओपन द फाइल, वो लिंक का कलर है। जब मैं लिंक को यूज कर रहा हूँ, दिस इज कॉल्ड active link. When I used that, it is called a visited link. So these type of colors I can control. By default, link is always in blue color, v-link is always in purple color, and a link is always in red color. So I can control these colors with the help of attribute. Look at here, body, v link I want to give in yellow color, link I want to give in black color, and a link I want to give in, suppose, brown color. So I save the file. So look at here, the color of the link is there. Visited link should be in yellow color, but it is here there is one problem. It is not in yellow color. I'm checking this. Wait. So look at here. It is in black color. That is a link color. So look at here. Link color is here black. When I press here, okay, this is now a link. ठीक है, वो हमारे पास मैं भी चेक करता हूँ यहाँ पे हमारे पास a link कौन सा था. Look at here, a link is here brown. ठीक है, इसके ऊपर मैंने क्लिक कर दिया. ठीक है, now look at here. Now it is in which color? Here is your visited link. V link here. Spelling of V link is wrong. So look at here. V link is in yellow color. So this is all about your links in HTML. If you have any doubt, please raise your hands. ठीक है, अब आपके अगर कोई भी डाउट है इसमें तो आपने प्लीज raise your hands and we will discuss your queries. Raghav, any doubt? Yashit?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. So now, next important is, now we have discussed the three important attribute of body tag, that is called v-link, link, and a-link. By default, link is always in blue color, and a-link is always in your red color, and v-link is always in purple color. But we can, with the help of v-link, a-link, and link attribute, we can change the color of these hyperlinks. And second one is, by using hyperlinks, we can provide links with any type of file. Now next is, in anchor tag, there are basically three type of hyperlinking. Hyperlinking may be with any type of website. The first type of hyperlink is with any type of website. So remember one thing, whenever we provide the hyperlinks with any type of website, give the full location of the file with the full URL. Look at here. If I'm using www.google.com, yahoo.com. I save this file and I refresh the page. I click here, but file is not here. What is the reason? Yashit, what is the problem with the hyperlink?
सर वो आपके डेस्कटॉप पे फाइल ढूंढ रहा है, उसको पता नहीं कि वो वेब नेटवर्क पे ढूंढनी है, उसके लिए HTTP प्रोटोकॉल देना पड़ेगा।
Yes, beta. Excellent, beta. Excellent. We will have to give here HTTP. ठीक है, तो आपने ये वाला पूरा का पूरा हाइपर लिंक उसको प्रोवाइड करना है, अदरवाइज इट विल जनरेट एरर। So look at here, but in Yahoo it is I'm checking with that beta. Wait beta, आपके पास लिंकिंग ऐसे होनी चाहिए थी, पर HTTPS ये तो ठीक है। I'm just checking. This is correct. Oh, okay. Yahoo. Okay. If it is with Google, then use Google. So this is hyperlink with any website. Okay, students, time is over. Tomorrow we'll continue with hyperlinks. Take care. Bye.